Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by duplicating the screenshot and opening it in an editor with a healing or content-aware tool. This protects the original. Once the duplicate is ready, zoom to 100% so you see pixel edges clearly and can judge texture. Next, select a suitable brush size, slightly larger than the area you want to remove. Make sure sampling mode is set to content-aware or clone, depending on the tool. And position your cursor where clean surrounding texture is most. Now perform the removal itself. If the area is large, use content-aware fill and let the algorithm generate a patch. If small, use spot healing or a patch tool for quick fixes. When cloning, sample from nearby consistent texture, then apply short strokes, blending gradually. This avoids repeating patterns. Once done, switch blending modes or soften edges with a low opacity brush. Make sure to toggle the duplicate layer visibility to compare changes with the untouched original. Finish by smoothing and matching. Use a subtle blur, dodge, or burn to align lighting and sharpness with surrounding pixels. This makes the edit invisible. Once satisfied, flatten a copy and save a new file so you keep the original intact. Export in the desired format. If something looks off, undo a few steps and try different sample points, smaller brushes, or lower opacity. Often changing the clone source or reducing brush opacity fixes visible seams quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.